What's up guys, and assalamu alaikum from your boy Shani's World and Mama Bear once again. Today's video is going to be about cooking once again. So Mama Bear is going to be making some chicken biryani for you. Yes. So we're going to go straight into it. You ready, Mom?
काफी लोगों ने पूछा तो इसीलिए मैं आपको बना के
Yes, a lot of people have been requesting it.
Inshallah.
So Mom's going to show you how to make some amazing chicken biryani. Let's go. Right, the first thing we're going to show you guys is the ingredients. So shall we go straight into the ingredients, Mom? Yeah, so we are going to make 2 kilos worth of chicken biryani. You guys don't have to make 2 kilos worth. So you can always half the portions of the ingredients if you want to make like a kilo. Yeah, we're going to obviously make 2 kilos because Mom's going to be distributing some of this biryani. So you guys can obviously make 1 kilo, half the portion. But anyways, let's go. Okay, so that's your first ingredient, which is going to be 2 kilos of white rice, 3 kilos of chicken, 4 onions chopped and diced as you can see, 6 tomatoes again chopped as you can see, 300 grams of plain white yogurt. So this is your garlic and ginger paste. So 1 ginger with 8 to 10 garlic. Grind them up to make a paste as you can see. 1 freshly cut lemon. This here is fried onions. So just use 1 onion and fry them up as you can see. A handful of mint leaves. 2 to 3 green chilies grinded as you can see. 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper. Half a teaspoon of cloves. 2 to 3 bay leaves. 6 to 8 cardamom seeds. 12 to 13 dried plums, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon jaffa, which is called nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of javantri, which is called mace, 1 cup cooking oil, and then you've got some KEWRA water. And then your final ingredient is your egg yellow food color, 1 teaspoon, mix it up in some water. Okay, the first thing that's going to go in is the cup of oil. And then once that's heated up slightly, you want to add the next ingredient in. And then your next ingredient alongside the oil is your chopped and diced onions. And let them fry up until they go to a nice golden brown. Okay, so once the onions have become a nice golden brown, you want to stick the tomatoes straight in. So there we are. So the tomatoes have gone in, and then Mom's going to give it a nice good old stir, just like that. Right, once the tomatoes are in, you want to add these ingredients like we spoke about earlier. So the cardamom, the bay leaves, the cloves and the black pepper whole. All of that is going to go inside. Once again, giving it a good old mix. So there we are. So let that cook for a while, Mom said, before you add anything else inside. Right, so now that that's done, Mom is going to stick the garlic and ginger paste straight in. So another 5 minutes, let it cook, let it cook. And stick that lid on. Okay, so we are ready. So salt,
red
chili powder,
garam masala,
so garam masala,
dhania powder,
coriander powder,
haldi powder,
and your turmeric powder. All are going to go inside.
and mix kar lo well.
And then give it a nice mix. The masala is looking absolutely amazing, man. Look at it.
And 2 minutes wait after that.
So stick the lid back on for another couple of minutes. Okay guys, now that that's done, the next step is going to be adding the chicken to this wonderful masala. So Mom's going to put all the chicken in.
Ram na bas sara chicken pa dena.
Just like that. And then what you want to do is you want to cook this for 5 minutes on full heat. So make sure you cook this up for 5 minutes on full heat. Oh yes, look at that.
Now
Looks delicious. So now Mom's going to put the yogurt in. So the yogurt has gone straight in.
nali jaffal the javatri pa dena.
Okay, and straight with it goes the jaffal and javantri,
Green chili,
the green chilies.
te ਉਹਨਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਭੁੰਨਣਾ.
Okay, once again, give it a nice mix and cook it up again.
ਫੇਰ 5 to 10 minutes full ਆਗ ਤੇ ਭੁੰਨਣਾ.
And then for 5 to 10 minutes, once again, full heat, let it cook. Okay guys, the biryani masala is looking absolutely fantastic. So the next things to add is going to be your plum.
Plum na ਪਾਣੀ ਚ ਭਿਓ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲਓ.
Yeah, so put it in some
10 to
water
15 minutes.
for 10 to 15 minutes and then put your dried plums straight in. The way Mom is doing.
Now
And along
lemon,
with that, you want to
lemon da water.
Yeah, so lemon water. Add some lemon water in it as well. And once
ਫੇਰ
again,
2 to 3 minutes ਪਕਣਾ.
yes, once again 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a mix and let it cook. And there we are, guys. The biryani masala is now ready. So we're going to place this to one side and we are going to start making the rice. Right, so what Mom has done is she's washed her white rice and then placed it in some fresh water for an hour just to soak. And obviously after the rice has soaked for an hour, the next step is put some water in the pan, as you can see.
And ubalna.
And then you want to place your ingredients.
Black pepper, patta, do.
So your black peppers, your bay leaves, your cloves,
Or zira.
and your full go into the water.
ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਉਬਾਲਾ ਆਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਚਾਵਲ ਪਾਣੀ.
And then boil that for a while. Once the water's nice and boiling, that's when you want to place the white rice inside. Okay, now that the water's boiled, Mom's going to add all the rice in. So just like that, Mom's gonna put all the rice in the boiling water. Okay, now that the rice is made, what Mom's gonna do is, so at the bottom you can see that Mom's put a layer of rice. So one layer of rice, and then what you're gonna do with that is put one layer on top of that of the biryani masala. Just like the way Mom is doing. So with making biryani, you've gotta layer it. Yes. So now that that's layered, put a bit of mint leaves on top.
And
with a bit of
golden brown.
Yes, so the onions that Mom made earlier, put some of them on top.
And fair chawal.
And then once again, another layer of rice. Just like that. Okay, so now this is going to be your second layer. So the rice Mom has put on top of the other biryani masala. And now once again, repeat what you did earlier of putting some more masala on top.
Now again.
And again, once again, put some mint leaves.
And onion.
And your remaining onions.
And fair the chawal.
And then once again, repeating the same as you did earlier, topping it up with your white rice. Once you've layered your biryani up and you've made your beautiful layers, what you want to do is, Mom is going to be adding that food color that you had prepared, just like that. And then your KEWRA water, just a touch of it, so just use the bottle top if you need to. So just a touch of KEWRA water goes on top.
And
then cover it up, put the lid on, and then stick it on full heat. And let it cook for roughly how long, Mom? Okay, so until the heat doesn't come out, leave it on full heat. And then once that's done, you can turn it down a little.
Half an hour.
Yeah, and then for half an hour, you will cook it on low heat. Okay guys, so there we are. Your biryani is now made and it looks absolutely amazing. Voila! Your chicken biryani is now ready. And Mom has done a fantastic job. Beautiful. And as usual, Mom always does a fantastic job. So well done to Mama Bear once again.
Thank you very much.
Amazing.
Chicken biryani khana sare.
Yes, so chicken biryani, she has done honestly a phenomenal
Inshallah
job.
try karna to fir batana.
It looks good, it smells good, it's phenomenal. She's got magic in her hands.
Ande ubal ke bhi upar lana.
Yeah, so when you do make this, guys, I hope this video has helped you. And I hope you do very well in making some amazing chicken biryani.
Thank you very much.
So once again, lots and love to all of you beautiful people that watch us on a daily basis. Khuda Hafiz from Shani's World.
Khuda
Hafiz from Mama Bear. Make sure you give us a thumbs up on this video. And do not forget to subscribe. And also my Instagram will be down below in the description. Go follow us.
Thank you.
Take care. God bless.